Bill. It's Sunday night, about 7 o'clock, and here's your weekly wrap-up for the week of October the 17th. We had an awesome week this week. We did 4 trades. They were pretty much overnighters, all of them. As you can see, we did the short on Monday and made almost 2.5 points. We did the short on Wednesday and almost made a point. We did the long on Thursday and made a point and a quarter. And we did another long on Friday and got out of that before the weekend, before the end of the day, and we made it a little more than half a point on that. So all in all, just kicked butt this week. So that was a good one. All right, now on to the overview of the market. All right, let's take a look here. The pound had a big drive up on Friday. Not really sure why. I couldn't really pin it on any news or whatever, but just really drove up here really high. We're peaked up way above the upper Keltner channel. Right now, market's open overseas in Asia, and we're up here kind of where we closed on Friday. So have to see what happens overnight. If we break the high here, we could keep going up, but I'm suspecting, based on whatever the information comes out of Europe overnight, looks like the Germans are not backing down, and we'll have to see what effect that has on the market. Okay, so the same with the euro here, kind of consolidating up at its upper Keltner channel. 50-50 chance going one way or the other. My bet is these will both go down tomorrow. So we'll see if I'm right. The yen is still kind of in the dead zone. Had a little activity here on Friday. I'm not really quite sure what caused that, but still not going to pay much attention to that. The ES broke above overhead resistance at 1025, making it, I believe, all the way up to 1038. Let me take a look here at another chart. Yeah. Or I'm sorry, 12. It made it above. Give me 1 second here. Okay, made it above 1225, all the way to 1238.25. So it punched through overhead resistance. Next stop is 1250 to the upside. We'll see if it can keep going. So obviously the Russell and the Dow followed in step. Gold and silver are both in the dead zone, believe it or not. So they've been sort of consolidating sideways, not doing much of anything here. Very weird for those two to behave that way, but we'll just have to see what happens. All right, on to some stocks. Let's see what we got here. All right, Google is up in the outer space here, consolidating after good earnings. So probably will stay there or pull back towards the Keltner channel. Baidu is kind of plummeting all week. My guess is momentum is to the downside. It'll keep going to the downside. Netflix here is it just painted one bar of dead zone. It has the potential to break out to the upside from. If you can see the momentum bars on the histogram are showing momentum is waning and moving back to the upside. Apple momentum would lead me to believe this thing is going to drop down into the lower Keltner channel next week. RIM kind of sideways. Don't expect much from that. Cisco, I'm looking for a drop down from that. Same with Oracle. Same with Amazon. Okay. So now on to our free picks for the week, and here they are. LUFK is your long pick. LUFK. Set the stop at the middle Keltner channel, and your profit target is the upper Keltner channel. Your short pick for the week or for Monday is ITRI. Same deal. I would set my stop for the middle Keltner channel and set my profit target for the lower Keltner channel. Well, that's all I have for you tonight. Hope you're perusing the new website. Been getting a lot of good feedback on that. Looking forward to any comments you have on how I can improve that. So feel free to send me an email. And good luck with your trading for the week. I'll see you later. Bye.